I was invited to an international organization's Shark Tank style competition called Pitch for Hope 2026. It was held at Tektite Auditorium in Pasig. This is my first time knowing that we have something like Shark Tank in the Philippines. And what amazes me more is that they are featuring Filipino entrepreneurs from communities living in ultra poverty. And they are giving 100,000 as cash prize doon sa winner. So tara, join me as we find out what hope looks like for the three national finalists. Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Liana. I'm a crafter and a small business owner. You may ask, how did I end up here? International Care Ministries or ICM actually emailed me and invited me to be one of their content creator partners for Pitch for Hope. And when I read that it was about small businesses ng mga Filipino entrepreneurs, it really resonated with me. Kasi aside from being a small business owner myself, I really love the fact na buong community yung involved sa business ng mga participants nila. Because alam niyo ba na yung wood flowers na gamit ko sa flower shop ko ay crafted din ng community. So I know how meaningful it can be when a business isn't just about the product but also about the people behind it. And basically, Pitch for Hope is a business pitching competition where 219 proposals of entrepreneurs from different parts of the Philippines get the chance to present the businesses they've built. And the event I attended was the national finals, where only 3 na lang yung natitira sa mga finalists. And sila yung maglalaban-laban doon sa 100,000 prize. So, let me introduce you to the 3 finalists and the businesses they're building in their communities. Let us start with Kushi.
Hi po, I am Kushi Salem, 20 from the province of Guimaras.
Their products include natural soaps and skincare products. I prepared one question about hope and I asked all 3 finalists to share their insights.
What is one thing you hope will change because of what you're doing? So, one thing I think that will change is the lives of every individual who have helped me and our savings group achieve this. It is a great opportunity for the lives of our members to showcase our product and the trust that they have given me to be here and to let the world know. I mean, yes, truly.
Sa community nyo siya nanggaling oregano? Ganon?
Yes po, sa likod lang ng mga bahay.
Totoo?
So, the resources is abundant.
We will create direct jobs in agricultural harvesting, manufacturing, packaging, and local distributions, which leads to higher incentives and dividends every year for our members.
Next, we have Ma'am Lani Labrador from Gapa Savings Group in Tacloban.
Lani Labrador po. Yung product po namin is calamansi juice. This is natural. No preservatives, no
Additives.
Yes. Wala pong yan, artificial.
Ilang days po siya nagtatagal?
14 days bago masira. Pero dapat nasa chiller na kasi walang preservative.
Opo. So, yung question ko po, what is one thing you hope will change because of what you're doing?
Yung sa amin po, nasa Leyte po kami, mga farmers po. So, gusto ko po ma-change din yung status ng buhay nila. Kasi during, yung nagtatanim lang po sila ng mga palay, wala pong mga trabaho. After pagtanim ng palay, nakatungangan na lang po. So, this product may change their lives po. Kasi meron siyang extra income, survival din kahit sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan.
Thank you po.
The time for networking ended, and unfortunately, I wasn't able to interview the 3rd finalist before the results, so I caught up with her after. Except, she was already the winner by the time I got to talk to her.
Congratulations po. Ito po yung questions ko.
What is one thing you hope will change because of what you're doing? Ang isang bagay na
Sana.
yung parang dinidesire ko na mabago is yung katayuan sa bawat isa sa aming grupo kasi ngayon mahirap talaga ang mga katayuan namin sa buhay. Lalo na ngayon, mga mahal na talaga, tumataas na lahat. Kaya ito yung hope ko na mabago. Tapos ang savings group namin, malaki ang pag-asa dahil sa ginagawa ko itong proposal na makaahon kami sa hirap. Dahil itong natanggap namin na 100K, malaking tulong na sa mga pangarap namin bawat isa na makaahon.
Congrats.
Thank you po. What problem are you trying to solve and why is it important to you? Ang problema ko kasi because I'm raising awareness also sa kapaligiran natin na marami na talagang problema. Yung mga landfills, makikita ko na marami ng mga papel na kailangan mabigyan natin ng solusyon. Kaya sa ginawa kong paper soul, kaya paper soul yung pangalan kasi parang nasasaktan ako na makita yung problema sa basura. Kahit sa papel man lang magawan ko ng solusyon na ang newspaper magawa ng bagong buhay.
Yes.
And
Pati po yung plastic nun,
Oo,
nagagawa niya na din
oo.
po ng ano.
hindi lang din plastic, ma'am, tsaka mga cartoons. Marami kasi akong nagawa doon. Yung organized box, hindi na madala. Cartoon yon.
Madami, hindi lang po ano pala ba? Ano po mga products niyo po?
Ang una namin ginawa, yung wall art decor talaga. Pero sabi ni sir, why not gagawa ka ng produkto na magagamit
Po, ng mga tao.
sa tao. Mayroon din akong hat doon na hindi na madala-dala.
Malaki.
Yung mabenta sa ngayon, yung mga ganyan. Pero yung paper platter, fruit platter pala.
Yung lagay ng...
Sa prutas.
Opo.
Yun, mabenta yun. Kasi mga mothers, mommies talaga sa mga parang unique na piece po niya. Marami na kaming orders para sa December na
Oo nga,
paper
sakto.
fruit platter.
Mag-Burmans na po.
Opo, fruit platter. Yeah. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng mga ideas na sinuggest ni Coach na gagawa ka ng iba na magagamit sa buong bahay. Hindi lang decoration. Oo.
Kasi parang pag
Personalized
decoration,
gifts
isa
din.
best lang sila bibili.
Oo.
Parang
Oo
ang
nga.
magandang
Yung
idea nga po.
personalized gifts daw.
Opo.
Then, customization para.
Gaano po katagal yung decor? Gaano katagal niyo po siyang
Ito, ma'am.
Apo.
Actually, ang pinakamatagal na proseso yung paggawa ng sticks. Tapos, pag marami ka ng sticks,
Apo.
gagawa tuloy-tuloy na.
Tama.
Sa paggawa nito, kung tutukan mo siya sa paggawa is 1 to 2 hours lang. Oo.
Kasi sanay na po kayo,
Oo.
no?
Pero sa mga new artisans ko, syempre,
Matagal.
na din sila. Pero tinututukan ko din sila sa paggawa para yung
Kayo po
quality.
talaga yung leader.
Yes po.
Ang galing naman. Paano po siya kumikintab?
Kasi yung varnish po, yan sabi ni sir, yung varnish daw,
Para
medyo
magtagal
maano
din.
sa kalusugan, kaya advice niya yung water-based na mga kulay. Hindi ko pa
Hindi ko pa
na-try
na-explore.
na-try yung kwan.
Pero maganda din kasi parang talagang kitang-kita na authentic siya kasi brown.
Oo,
Parang
yun
pag
nga.
may kulay kasi hindi na
Tatlo
masyado-
kasi yung kulay na ginamit ko, ma'am. Hindi lang isang kulay sa...
nag-experiment din
Yes
po
po,
kayo.
nag-experiment po ako.
Tapos mga ganito po, saan niyo po kinukuha ito?
Sa din po, sa online,
Kit ng logo niyo.
logo. Hindi pa masyado maganda, pero
Maganda po.
Paper Soul
Opo,
Creations po.
maganda. Parang simple lang siya pero gets mo na agad na mga ano siya, paper.
Na hindi, kasi sabihin nila, sa unang tingin, hindi nila masasabi na papel.
Opo. Kasi ang tigas din.
Oo.
Ang galing nga po eh.
Sana kahit hindi ko nasagot ng
Pangsarili.
maayos
Hindi
kanina.
po magaling po kayo. Lalo na po kahit na hindi nyo first language yung English, talagang kitang-kita na binigay niyo po yung best. Kasi po ako, Gen Z ako, so normal na sa akin magsalita sa camera, sa harapan. Pero sa inyo na makita na talagang nag-e-effort, parang yun, nakaka-proud lang po.
Salamat po. Okay po.
Congrats!
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po.
After spending the whole day asking other people about their hopes, here are my key takeaways. For these entrepreneurs, their businesses aren't just about selling a product or earning an income. There's a community, a family, and a bigger purpose behind what they're building. It made me happy and proud hearing their stories. I can only imagine how hard it might be to be in their position. Traveling through airplanes despite the bad weather, practicing multiple times to present in English, and to carry the responsibility and hope of their respective groups. I know it's already hard enough to carry and pursue your own dreams. So what more pa, diba? If there are people around you na umaasa sa'yo. And maybe, it made me realize maybe that's what hope looks like. Not just wishing for things to change, but actually building and doing something now that can help make that change happen. Change starts with us. And to International Care Ministries, thank you so much po for choosing to invest in Filipino communities and their hopes for a better future. And thank you to you as well for watching this video. Do you also believe in hope? And what does hope look like for you?